You might be having this problem. When you hit the up and down volume keys on your Windows 10 partitioned Bootcamp MacBook Pro, you can't hear this little sound. If this is you, then this video is for you. Today we're going to fix the hardware issue that is causing your Bootcamp Windows 10 partition not to have audio. This is going to involve going back into macOS and then installing some driver software to then reinstall into the Windows 10 partition. You will not need to reverse the Bootcamp process, but if you need any help with any of the Bootcamp questions, go check out this playlist up here. It will also be in the pinned comments down below. If you have any other questions, drop those in the comments down below as well. But let's get straight into this video. If your Windows 10 partition of Bootcamp does not have any audio, you're not getting anything out of there, it might also have some other issues. So I recommend checking if your keyboard is fully functioning and if your Wi-Fi is working. But in order to complete this process, all you will need is the Mac in question that has problems and then a USB drive with at least 8 GB capacity. So next thing we want to do is boot back up the Mac, hit Alt to boot back into Mac. Go to Macintosh HD. Once we're back into macOS, you want to insert your USB into your Mac's USB drive. And then we have, this one is currently a Windows installer drive. I'm going to go to Disk Utility. I'm then going to format this. I'm just going to call this Bootcamp quickly. And I'm going to format it as MS-DOS. Could format this as exFAT if you wanted to. That drive is now formatted. Then we're going to go back up to our Spotlight search and we're going to search Bootcamp Assistant. We're then presented with the same Bootcamp setup process that you'll be familiar with from the previous Bootcamp installation video. And then here we have the options of what we would like to create on this USB disk. So we have our Create Windows 10 or later installation disk. Then we have our Download the latest Windows support software from Apple. This is the one that we want. And then we have Remove Windows 10. We don't want that. So we just want to select Download the latest Windows support software from Apple, and then we're going to install that onto the USB drive. This will then create a Windows installation USB that we can then use when within Windows 10 and install any relevant drivers that we need for our keyboard. So I'm just going to hit download and continue. I'm going to select the SanDisk Ultramedia Bootcamp, which is mine, and it's in disk 2. Then we'll need to wait for this download to complete. At the end of the support software downloading, you'll be asked to put in your admin password. Very simple, get that done. And then we have a little prompt just saying install this Windows support software after installing Windows. Then we can hit quit. Now we're very simply going to go and eject the Bootcamp drive. And then we are going to shut down from Mac OS and boot back into Windows 10. Okay, so we're going to hit power on, hold down the Alt key, and we're going to choose Windows 10 to boot into. So now that we're in Windows 10, once we are in Windows 10, we can then put in our USB drive. It will then come down at the bottom that has appeared. We can open that in File Explorer. Then we want to go to the Bootcamp subfolder, then hit the Setup Startup Packages. This will then give us a standard installation wizard. This then reads Install missing files or repair damaged files and data. Repair. The screen may flash black for a couple of seconds. We are getting back to installing Bootcamp. Our Bootcamp installer is now complete, so that means that we have all the Windows support software installed for running drivers for our keyboard, our sound devices, and our Wi-Fi. You must restart your system for the configuration changes to your Bootcamp services to take effect. Click Yes to restart. That is it for this video. I hope you have found this video helpful, and I hope that your Windows 10 audio is now working super well, and you've got audio for all the different things you need. This will make sure that your audio is working for your laptop speakers, your headphones, anything Bluetooth. You'll be sorted from here on out. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and until next time, I'm out.